The sensor pairing procedure is similar for all Aranet base stations. Sensors can be paired one by one or in batches. When pairing the sensor, it should be located within 20 meters of the Aranet base station. Once the sensor is paired, it communicates with a base station at a much greater distance. The sensor pairing procedure is as follows. If the sensor uses a power supply, unplug it before starting the pairing procedure. Unscrew and open the sensor cover. For box-shaped sensor transmitter, release screws in the corners of the cover and remove the cover. There are two methods for pairing the sensor. First, by installing the battery, or second, for newer hardware revisions, by using the pairing button. If you are pairing the sensor by installing the battery, remove the battery if it is already inserted. The battery should be removed for at least 20 seconds to ensure successful pairing. If the sensor has a pairing button on the PCB, locate it. This button will be used to initiate pairing without removing the battery. In the base station user interface, select Sensors from the main menu. Set the measurement interval to 10, 5, 2, or 1 minute, and click the Pair Sensor button to initiate pairing mode. This will start a 2-minute interval for the pairing procedure. During the 2-minute interval, use one of the pairing methods. Insert the battery into the sensor using the type specified in the datasheet, or press the pairing button on the sensor PCB. Once pairing is successful, you'll see your sensor in the list with a green corner. Feel free to add more sensors within the following 2-minute interval, or click Stop Pairing if you're finished. After successful pairing, secure the sensor by screwing the cover back in place. After pairing the sensors, rename and adjust settings according to your requirements. To do so, navigate to each sensor settings and enable the conversion feature. Select your dimension and unit from the drop-down menu, or create a custom conversion if necessary. Click Save button when you are finished. Similarly, sensors can also be paired through the Aranet Cloud interface using the base station management feature in Settings.